showers and thunderstorms this afternoon and evening.
Severe thunderstorm
Some of
watch.
these storms could be strong to severe, with gusty winds, hail, and heavy downpours possible. Locally, heavy rainfall of 1 to...
There it goes. Go off, Sanjian.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 266, effective until 10 p.m.
Yeah!
This watch includes the following county: Marietta, Pennsylvania.
Aw.
Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. A nearly stationary frontal boundary will extend from central Pennsylvania.
At least they caught the alert.